Good morning. It is July 9th. It's very overcast out, which is supposed to be sunny, and I'm so tired of dealing with grumpy bees. I really hope that they are better this morning. So we have 2 new queens that are supposed to arrive tomorrow, and I need to get into these 2 hives and see what's happening, because last time this hive had their queen, their new queen that we had requeened a few weeks ago, but she hadn't done anything. So I need to see what she's doing. If she's still there and she's still doing nothing, unfortunately, I think I need to kill her, because I'm going to put a new queen in there tomorrow. The other hive, Hive 1, we couldn't find the queen or anything going on in there, so I'm pretty sure they need a new queen. So I have 2 queens coming in the mail tomorrow, and I believe they're going to go in these 2 hives, unless I find something strange when I go in there right now. If this queen has suddenly started doing something, I'm not sure what we're going to do. We'll probably have to create a new hive for the additional queen that we're getting. So I also am going to just peek in the honey supers and see if they're ready, because this weekend maybe we'll harvest some honey, I hope. We'll see what happens. We're hoping for not grumpy bees. Hey, little friends. Noisy. So it's actually not a bad thing that we're having queen issues, because one of the ways to get rid of mites is to have a brood break. Oh boy, I'm getting buzzed already. So, you know, if the queen takes a break from laying, you can force that, but we kind of are having it by accident. And then the mites have nowhere to go, because they reproduce in the brood. So maybe this has been a good thing. I don't know. At some point I should probably do another mite test, but I can kind of tell just by how they're acting. Past couple weeks that things are better. I don't see sick bees. Bees. They're noisy though. I don't like this overcast. They're going to be grumpy about it. Alright, so I am looking for see if this queen has done anything. She wasn't doing anything, and bees might kill her themselves if they don't like what she's doing. I'm removing the varroa mite treatment. Yeah, so they might just take care of her themselves. Kill her. Or we might have to do it if she's still not doing anything. So I can't put a new queen in here tomorrow if she's still here. Oh, this is honey. Oh. Of course. Oh, there's larvae. Oh, that's interesting. Very interesting. I see eggs. Well, I guess she's decided to start doing her job. That's interesting. Alright, maybe she's in the bottom box. I don't know. I do have to check down there for queen cells. And got cap brood. So she has been busy. Look at that. Alright. Like our queen decided to step up. There's lots of brood in here. Looks like this hive is gonna make a comeback. Hopefully without mites. Yep, lots of cap brood larvae. Looks like she's trying to squirrel them in anywhere where they don't have pollen here. Where I saw eggs was in the top box, so she's probably right here somewhere. The bees all seem to be congregating right there. I'm just making sure there's no more queen cells. It does look like we have a wax moth problem. Alright, so our queen has been busy. Alright, so probably what I'm going to do tomorrow when the queens come is make a new hive. I'll take a frame of brood out of here, or maybe two, with some nurse bees, and put one of our new queens in with them in a new hive. So that'll be interesting. Okay. All right, so Hive 1, I'm so sweaty. Hive 1 I thought was gonna abscond while we were gone because we were on vacation, and they had no sign of a queen anywhere in here when I was here last. So somehow they are still here. They still seem to be working. We did put sugar water and a pollen patty in here, so that might have encouraged them to stay. So snipping it too. If I find a queen in here, that's going to be a miracle. Then we're going to have 2 extra queens. It's crazy. Alright, not much going on in this box, so I will give them some more food tomorrow when I add the queen. And I'll give them, I don't know what else. Probably won't do pollen patties again because obviously it's attracted a lot of hive beetles and they didn't eat it. So I guess they would need that to feed brood, which they don't have any. So a lot of beekeepers you might see letting their hives make their own queen when they have a queen problem. In Florida, you're not really supposed to do that because there's a chance of Africanized bees mating with your queen, and then you would have really not nice honeybees. So you're supposed to, like if you catch a swarm, you're supposed to requeen them. You need to requeen, you're supposed to requeen from a source that you know does not have Africanized bees. And, oh, what is it? Brood here. I guess that could be, oh my gosh, there's larvae. I cannot believe this. This queen has a dot, so in theory, if she's here, I should be able to find her. Really, little queen. I can't believe I'm finding. green dot on her, so she should be easy to see. There's eggs. Oh my gosh. I can't believe it. I really thought this hive was done for without a queen. Maybe she's on this last frame here. Flabbergasted. I'm gonna go just in hive 3 and just remove the varroa strips, which should take hopefully 2 seconds. Yeah. So I did give these guys some sugar syrup also, which I will, I guess, come out and refill tomorrow. Okay. This hive did have smoker might be dying here. This hive did have eggs and larvae last time. I didn't see the queen, but they seemed like they were doing okay. So compared to the other hives. Ooh, lots of hive beetles. Alright, I guess I'm just going to leave it at that for now. I'm not going to mess around in here.